steal, to kill, and to destroy. When storm comes, the primary objective of the storm in the life of man is to come and destroy things that are good already, is to come and waste the life that are meant to become glorious, and finally to swallow the life. And I want to tell you, whatever storm you have experienced before now, it shall not destroy you in the name of Jesus Christ. That storm that is programmed into your life, it shall not waste your life in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. It shall not swallow you in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. You are coming out of it victoriously in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Let me tell you, you don't have accommodation money today, or you don't even have an accommodation of your own, or you are not even carrying your own baby. Whatever that may be the challenge, whatever that may be the storm, I say today, my God is stepping in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. The storm shall be over in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. The storm shall be over in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Beloved, storm has level. Storm has what? Levels. There are some storms that come slowly, gradually. I remember what they did to my cousin. That was 10 years ago. He died 10 years ago. The first male child in the entire family where I come from. And do you know what the enemy did was, they said, this storm, we won't do it suddenly. Lest they take off and they introduce us into sickness into his life. And they came through the wife just poisoned him, and what he did was gradual death. He won't die suddenly. So the thing will be hitting him more gradually. And that is the first stage of storm. There are some storms that will come. The storm that will come just gradually. You may not even know. You say it's little headache. Do you know, like the case of the woman with the issue of blood in Mark chapter 5, when you read from verse 25 and 26, you discover that the blood kept on coming. Day 1, day 2, as a woman we expect within 5 days that the thing should be over. 5 days turning to 5 weeks, 5 weeks turning to 5 months, 5 months turning to 5 years, 5 years turning to 12 years. The thing came gradually like that. She spent all she had. She tried all the physicians, and the thing resulted to no avail. May I announce to you, whatever storm that is coming into your life, that is coming gradually to hit you up, my God today will step into it in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. You will discover, sir, you see the business that has been flourishing before, all of a sudden the business begins to go down gradually. You don't have money to go to the market to replenish your stock again. That is how the storm comes gradually. The responsibility that will come will be more than the income. That is how storm comes gradually. Before you know it, the whole business collapse. Before you know it, the whole thing go down the drain. That is storm. Whatever it is today that represents that storm in your life, my God will step into it in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Another thing is that there may be just joblessness. They will make sure that you don't even have a job. They will make sure that by the time you begin to bear, you begin to eat from hand to mouth. Oh, before you know it, you can't meet up with the responsibility. You can't do what you ought to do. And things begin to walk and begin to turn sour in your life. Today, my God will intervene for you in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. I say, my God will intervene for you in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. The second level of storm is the one that comes suddenly, which Job experienced. Let's see what happened to Brother Job in the book of Job chapter 1 from verses 14 to 19. Job chapter 1 from verses 14 to 19. Do you know that he gathered his children together, they were having feast. All of a sudden, the children died. The report came that all the business, none of the children of Job were sick. Was anyone sick? The thing just came suddenly. They told him, the business people, as they were coming, all the cattle fell. Your business, everything, burned down by fire. Is somebody there? Can we quickly confirm? So that somebody there. Job chapter 1, beginning from verses 14 to 19. Listen, there is always a messenger. And there came a messenger unto Job and said, the oxen were plowing and the asses feeding beside them. And the Sabians fell upon them and took them away. And yet they have slain the servant with the edge of the sword. And I only am escaped alone to tell him. While he was here speaking, giving the evil report of the storm, another messenger came in and said, the fire of God fell, is falling from heaven, and he has burned all the sheep and the servant and consumed them. And I alone am escaped also to tell thee. And while he was here speaking, there came also another and said, the Chaldeans made out 3 bands and fell upon the camels, and have carried them away, yea, and slain thy servant with the edge of the sword. And I alone escaped to tell thee. While he was here speaking, look at the category. Job didn't plan for all these things. Are these sudden news not enough to give a man stroke? All that he has never done in his entire life. The report just came in the day that everything has come down to drain. Whatever that is the sudden storm that hits your life, that make you to have one particular ailment or the other, today my God will step in the mighty name of Jesus.